If you come, you come. If you don't come, no problem. But
we take gallant.
Move. It's like I'm just happy to be in the show, man. I'm just happy to be here, man. Like,
Boma, how long were you married for?
6 years. 5, almost 6.
Wow. And when did that end? When did it end?
20.
I trust
BBNaija 2021. Interesting fact about Boma, the first new unveiled housemate who is already verified on IG. The first new unveiled housemate at this year's BBNaija reality TV show was Boma Martins, who is simply known as Boma. This was after the show was launched on July 24th, with all the guys who will be appearing on the show being unveiled. This year's launch is in 2 parts, as the ladies will be unveiled today, July 25th, with the theme for this year being Shine Your Eye. After Boma was unveiled, we discovered some interesting facts about him. And per our checks, he is the only housemate who is currently verified on Instagram and has over 200,000 followers. He was born in Lagos, and per what we have gathered, he is the only child of his parents. However, he is an indigene from 2 Nigerian states, Delta and Rivers, as his parents hail from these states. He is an actor who has featured in an international TV series, Blacklist. He is also a soccer star and a model. According to him, he represented Nigeria for Mr. Imperial Universe 2016 and won Best Body Imperial Universe in 2016. From modeling, he decided to go into soccer as he had always wanted, and this opened the gates to play semi-pro in Europe. Before signing pro, he indicated that he had experienced an injury that ensured that his soccer dreams were curtailed. He then went to New York, where he enrolled in New York Film Academy to take his acting career to another level. As a model, he was the youngest model to participate in the Nigerian Fashion Week in 2004, and his biggest fear is not living up to his fullest potential. Guys, what do you think about these housemates? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if this is your first time of viewing, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the notification bell to get new info whenever a new video drops. Thanks.